Hey, good day everyone. I'm super excited to bring you this AC/DC fork meter here. Let's check this thing out. Well, it comes with a nice case here. This is a great little tool to have for you DIYers out there, you fellow DIYers. All right, and there's everything that comes in the box. Of course, you got the fork meter itself, and then it comes with a little screwdriver here. That way you can install your batteries right back here. Has the probes themselves. Just plug that right into the meter. Another set here. And the batteries, and of course user's manual as well. Well, it's nice that this thing comes with batteries too. And they just go right in here. Alright, I went ahead and set it to NCV and check out what happens. So I got a live plug there. Right, here's this small cord for my ring light too. I just wanted to see if it would work with it and check it out. Sure does. And here's the different symbols in the user's manual. And here's the structure and function overview. Kind of tells you what all the parts are here. And then also a display overview. So it has all kinds of display icons. And then here's what all those mean. I won't go through every one of them. I want to give you this so you can take a snapshot of it. You want to pause the video here and kind of see what all that means and equate it to the readout there. Okay, NCV stands for non-contact voltage, so that's when you use that fork probe like I showed you there. And when there's low voltage detected, like you saw before, it has an L, and that L will be an H if high voltage is detected. Okay, now for live wire detection, you want to press select here. Now we're at live, and I plugged in the red probe here. This will give us our live wire detection. Let's say you had an open wire here. You could stick that on it right there, and it'll read out and tell you you have some live wires, and it'll give you the readings on it. But here we don't, so it's working great. There's no live wires detected. It's also got a diode test on there, and there's how you do that. This thing also has the ability to check capacitance as well. Okay, now to turn this thing off, just take this button, hold the power button down, and it'll turn off. Hey, when you're done, everything fits right back in this case. All right, thank you for watching, everybody.